Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, go ahead and hit the subscribe button, hit the bell next to it so you don't miss any of the videos that I post. Like and comment, let me know how you feel about this video. Today we're going to be doing a yellow and white glittery cut crease. I got the inspiration for this look from B. Marie. She is on YouTube, she's on Instagram. I will link everything about her in my description box. So let's get right into the video. I'm going to prime my eyelids with my Urban Decay eyeshadow primer. This is going to help, the eyeshadows to pop more, to stick more onto my lids, and to just apply better. So I'm going to rub that in on both of my eyelids. Then I'm going to take this Tarte palette, and I'm going to use this shade right here. And that's going to be my first transition shade. I'm going to put that all in my crease. This is what the shade that we're going to put down before we do any of the bold color. It's just going to allow it to have like a gradient effect, a more ombre effect, instead of being just so bold. And so yeah, we're just going to continue to blend on the outer corners. And I'm only going to do one eye just to show you guys how I do my cut creases. So that's why you only see me doing it on one of my eyes. So I'm just going to pack on the color until it gets as dark as I want it to be. You could do it however you want. Now I'm going to take my Kiss eyeshadow primer stick in the color white. And this is what I'm going to use to carve out my crease. This part is a little tedious. If you do cut creases, then you know cut creases take forever, because not only are you cutting a crease, you're kind of making a newer crease. If you're like me, I have little tiny eyelids, so I have to make my crease go up higher than what it really is, and that's what you see me doing here. So it's not as easy as people make it seem. It does take time, it does take practice. My cut creases are not perfect. This is just how I have been doing them. They work for me. I know there's a few things that I can learn, but as for now, this is what I do. So you're gonna, after you're done carving it out, you're gonna make like a wing effect. All cut creases are not like this, but this is just what I like to do sometimes. So yeah, make a wing effect, continue to fill it in to however you want it, how big or how small you want your cut crease to be. I notice with cut creases, they look a little bit more appealing when you make it bigger than what your eyelid usually is if you have small lids like me. So that's what I like to do. So you're going to see me just going over, making sure every spot is white. Now I'm going to take my Urban Decay Full Spectrum palette, and I'm going to use the white shade in there. And that's what I'm going to use at the front of the cut crease in my inner corner. Just so that I don't just only have like the primer there. This is going to make it look more matte and more white. Because I can see the cut crease has like a little gray undertone. So I'm going to use this just to make it a more of a crisp white color. And I'm only going to put that in the front inner corner, because we're going to have like a, y'all know how much I love my ombre looks. So I'm going to use this in the front. So that's going to have like an ombre effect. Now I'm going to go into my BH Cosmetics palette and use, it was like almost the darkest yellow in there. Like I said, this palette has no color names. So all I can do is describe them to y'all. And this is what's going to be the main color. And I'm going to just put this all over my lid. And continue to pack it on to get it as dark as I want, as bold as I want it to be. And I'm gonna take it, make sure I get the top, all those edges, make sure there's no white showing, even though we're gonna go over that crease right there anyways, but just to make sure, gonna continue to pack it on. Then you're gonna put it on the wing part as well, and just be careful. I don't like to really go back and wipe anything, so I try to make it as perfect as I can. And yeah, that's pretty much all you do when it comes to adding the color. But we're going to get more detailed as the video goes on. But yeah, it's pretty self-explanatory. You can see what I'm doing. Now I'm going to go back into the Tarte palette and use that dark shade at the top. And I'm going to put this into my crease. I'm going to pack it like really close. I got like a really flat, one of my Urban Decay brushes. I think that came in the I don't know. It didn't come in the Full Spectrum palette. It came in a different one. I forgot. I'll link that below too. The brush. Just so y'all know, it's a really dense flat brush. I'm going to use that in my crease. This is going to make it pop more. and give it more of a bold effect right there. Now I'm going to take my Urban Decay glitter, heavy metal glitter. I'm going to use this to line where I've just put that dark brown color. Because y'all know me and my glitter. It wouldn't be an Asia look if it didn't have glitter. So yeah, this is going to make it, you know, extra fancy. So it's not too boring. And that's how it looks right now. Just continue to add glitter however much you want to add. Now I'm going to take some eyeliner. This is just an eyeliner I got from a beauty supply store. It's nothing special, but I like it because it's like really dark. And it goes on really smooth and easy. It is running out though. I got to get a new one, y'all. But yeah, just do like a regular wing. You know, fill it in. You can make your wing as thick as you want it to be. I felt like for this look, I wanted it to be kind of thin in the front and more thick at the end because I didn't want to take away from the look. You know, all the pigment I just put down, I didn't want to, you know, pretty much cover it up. So that's why it's kind of skinny. I know most cut creases, they have like really thick liner. But I don't know. I don't feel like that looks right on me. My eyes are too little. My eyes get lost in all that extra stuff. Now I'm going to go in with some mascara. And then some lashes. These as well are from a beauty spot store. Nothing fancy. I just feel like they look really cute with this look because they're really dramatic. And y'all know I'm extra, so. And that's how it looks. Then I'm sorry I'm out of frame. But I added those same colors at the top to my lower lash line. I'm going to add some mascara to my bottom lashes. And that is pretty much how I do this, y'all. Y'all see how easy this is? It is nothing to learn how to do makeup. To learn how to do a cut crease at that, which seem like they're so hard, they're really not. That's pretty much all I do, y'all. And I'm still out of mascara. Thank y'all so much for watching. Like I said before, if you're new to my channel, make sure you subscribe. If you're not and you're not subscribed, make sure you subscribe. And just, you know, share my videos, like them, comment. And thank y'all so much for watching.